Hey guys, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I wanted to check in. As some of you know, we actually just got back from a weekend trip we always do. We go to a gaming convention every year down in Columbus. And we just returned actually not that long ago. And I wanted to show you something that I thought you'd find interesting. First of all, I will be posting a picture here of the back of the car, and I will be having a contest as I do every year. And on who can guess how many 31 products we took with us to the convention. The picture will give you some hints, but I will tell you there are bags in bags, like zipper pouches and things like that. So just to give you a little bit of a hint. But I also want to let you know, we took a cooler with us. We always take a cooler, stuff that we keep in the hotel room, that sort of thing, so that we have snacks and stuff and we don't break the bank on food. Well, one of the coolers I took with us has the leak lock lining, and when I went to unpack it just a few minutes ago, I found it had done its job. So here, let me show you. Let me turn the camera around. Okay, so here's inside the lining. This is some peaches and stuff. See, if you look, you can see they're dripping. I had actually, just so we could refill them, put ice inside bags. So if you look inside, you can see it is wet. But look, it's wet in there, but it's holding it in. So if you look on the outside here, see there's no wet marks. None. This was in our car. This was on top of, yes, Callista's sitting here too, having some yogurt. But this is on top of other bags and stuff. And there was no moisture on the lining whatsoever. And to give you an idea, I'm sure you saw that there was still ice in there. We filled these ice bags at about 9 o'clock this morning. It is still very cold. Yes, it had melted, but if you have been outside today, you know it's very warm. In fact, at one point our temperature gauge was saying it was over 100 in our car because we made several stops on our way home too. So it gives you an idea. It also keeps things very cold. So I just wanted to kind of show you how the leak lock lining really does work, and it saved us today. So do not forget, today is the last day of the second week of my anniversary sale. So that means if you want to get that free mini pouch, get a hold of me this evening and I will help you get that in. If you are having a party, that counts for your guests as well. It's not just for the people that are in my group, but you do need to either be in a party or in my group in order to get the deal. So don't forget about that. Tomorrow, of course, I will let you know what the next week's special is for my anniversary sale. And as always, if you have any questions, reach out. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.